Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk about crypto.com, Bitcoin, and the overall market. Guys, we are at 7,520 subscribers. Once we reach 10,000 subscribers, we're giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. At 25,000 subscribers, we are giving away a loaded line NFT. All you gotta do is be subscribed to the channel. So subscribe now, and guys, let's hop into this video. So, we're green, guys. We had a little bit of volatility yesterday because of the Fed minutes, and we came down, which was kind of expected, but then we bounced right back up, and now we're still testing about the 24,000. Yesterday we were testing the $25,000 level, but guys, this is just pure consolidation, and that's a-okay. Bitcoin dominance at 41.29%. That's not too shabby. I do want to see Bitcoin dominance kind of increase a little bit because we want to see Bitcoin really have that move up and then consolidate so that we can kind of get that trickle down effect in a true altcoin season. See some coins like Crocoin really rally, see Ethereum really rally. That's what we need to see. We need the Bitcoin dominance to come up a little bit. And don't be alarmed when that does happen, when you see all the other coins come down in price because it's sucking up the liquidity, because it will be temporary. And when Bitcoin sucks up some liquidity and we have a big rally and say Bitcoin dominance gets around the 44%, if we consolidate for a little while, for a couple weeks, we'll have a true altcoin season, and you'll see Bitcoin dominance come down a little bit, and the alts will run big time. You'll see 30% gains, 40, 50, 100, 200, 300% gains left and right when we have a true altcoin season. So be prepared for that if we come up to about the 30K price range for Bitcoin and then consolidate. If Bitcoin dominance comes up to about 44%, maybe even 43%, and you start to see Bitcoin consolidate, that's when we're going to have a big altcoin season. So be prepared for that, guys. Let's look over at Crocoin right now, because we did break above this structure here on this ascending triangle, and it's not much. We came above it, but we're still consolidating, guys, and this is the name of the game here. We did test this support as resistance when we were coming up to the upside, but a lot of people like to see previous structures, and basically after they break, they're invalidated, but I kind of like to keep them going just to kind of see, to kind of like back test my theories and back test where I thought things were going and where they did go. And then I can look back and see what my probability is of being successful in future trades. And guys, if you want to follow some trades, if you want a long or short Crocoin or any other currencies, go in the description box below and sign up to BitGet or Femex. There's an $8,000 sign up bonus with BitGet, a $4,500 sign up bonus with Femex. All you got to do is click the link, sign up, deposit some money, open some trades, and you get a bunch of free money. Leverage trade at your own risk, guys. It is for experienced traders, but it is a fantastic tool to use when you master it. But yeah, guys, that's why I like to keep my patterns and my drawings left up, because it's a good way for me to look back and see how accurate my trading was. But let's look over at Bitcoin for a little bit, because I could talk about Crocoin over and over again. What I'll say to you every time is, guys, we're just in this accumulation channel. This channel between 10 cents and 5.5 cents is the buying zone. This is a buying zone, guys. I mean, I've been seeing lots of people saying that they don't ever think we're going to see 5.5 cents again. I could lean into that. I don't think that we're going to be seeing that. I do think that the bottom is in on Bitcoin. Thus, I think the bottom is in on Crocoin. Especially this bottom right here on Crocoin was so exaggerated because of the FTX collapse, and then all the eyes were on all the exchanges. It was so exaggerated. I mean, guys, we got money flow coming in on Crocoin on the daily. Let's go over the weekly. This chart's not long enough for it, but on the daily we have basically this green wave right here indicates that there's money flowing into Crocoin, and when money started flowing in, we started to get this rally, guys. These green waves are great indications of bullish continuation. If we see the green waves continue, it usually means bullish continuation. We also are getting a green dot here on Market Cipher, which indicates a buying signal. There's lots of opportunities here, guys. Lots of opportunities, but long story short, this is an accumulation zone. If we do come down to 5.5 cents, I doubt we'll break below it. And the real thing to pay attention to is that if you buy at 8 cents or you buy at 5 cents, does it really make much of a difference if you waited to buy at 14 cents and then it goes to a dollar, or you wait to buy at 50 cents and it goes to a dollar, you're missing out on 10, 15x gains, guys. I mean, if you wait, and that's why we always preach on the crypto report dollar cost average and hodl, because really it's very, very difficult to buy the bottoms on long-term holdings. It's easier to buy bottoms when you're trading, but for a quick trade. But it's much more difficult to have the mentality and the mental fortitude to buy at the bottom of a market with a large position of a long-term investment. And if it's a long-term investment, then you really should be just dollar cost averaging in, buying a little bit every week, whether it's $100, $50, $5, or $1,000. Just buy a little bit each week for projects you truly believe in, guys. But let's look over at Bitcoin, because I was looking at this monthly candle and I just thought, wow, I mean, just look at this, guys. This is beautiful. Right in between this channel here of the 19,500 and the $25,300 price range. Guys, we really want to see a break above the 25,300. Really, it's probably about 25,200, but 25,300, if we get a candle close above that, man, that is a massive bullish continuation, guys. And it's quite interesting to see here, because the bottom of this level is basically the top of the 2017 bull run. And, you know, the bottom of this channel was the top of the 2017 bull run, but the top of this channel, it touches so many levels here, guys, and we've been bouncing off of it. Let's go over the daily or the weekly. I mean, to get a better picture here, we've been bouncing off this, guys, and this, when we break above this, 30K is my next price target, right about here. About 30,000, 29,800, 29,900, about that area will be my next price target. But guys, this is the accumulation zone right now for Bitcoin, between 19,500 and 25,300. Don't be surprised if we come back down here off the 19,500. Don't be surprised at all if that happens, because just with CRO coin, this is an accumulation zone. Would you rather buy at 25,000 and get your position in and ride it up to 100,000, or would you rather wait until we get to 50,000 and ride up to 100,000? You miss out on an extra 3x gains. I mean, it's just, guys, when we're buying and putting our money into long-term investments, it's very important and it's very difficult to time the bottom, dump all your money in. And if you look at the statistics of people that do that, based on the people that do that and based on the people that buy over time, dollar cost average in, usually the people that dollar cost average in, the percentage of people that make money on that are significantly higher than the people that time the bottom, because the majority of people don't time the bottom. They are usually off, and they usually can't time the bottom, guys. And usually they don't have the time to accumulate. If you have the time to accumulate and the time is on your side, you can create a larger position size, which in the long term, when it goes up, it expands exponentially, guys. It expands exponentially, and your position gets larger, and you make more money. Dollar cost averaging is definitely the way to go when it comes to long-term investing. It's not financial advice, but that's just what my personal opinion is on it. But guys, we're trading between this channel, and I'm saying don't be surprised if we come down here. Don't be surprised if we come down to the 19,500 and trade in this channel, but I do kind of see that we'll probably break above to the 30,000 and probably be retesting the 25,000 on the way to the next Bitcoin halving. I do see that is much more likely, but don't be surprised if 19,500 comes, but we are getting the right signs that we're going to be moving to the upside. We are getting higher daily candle closes, highly weekly candle closes. I mean, just this monthly candle looks so beautiful on Bitcoin, guys. And hypothetically, if we're pulling data from the previous events, which is risky, but that's all the data we have, so that's what we do. I see what's happening here. Back in 2018 when we bottomed out, and then we had 5 very, very green months leading up to the Bitcoin halving, and we cooled off. We definitely cooled off. We had a big wick to the downside because of the pandemic dump. But guys, we're doing that right now. We're creating these 5 monthly candles right now, and we're starting to see that happen. We predicted this on the channel a while back, a couple months ago. We were predicting this, guys, leading into the Bitcoin halving. The Bitcoin hype will start. The Bitcoin hype will start. And I don't think that the Bitcoin hype has truly started yet. So we're being patient, but we are seeing these green candles form, which is fantastic to see, guys. And I do think that we do have a couple more green months. That is, a lot can change. We are in a different market now than we were back in 2018. But I do think that that's kind of where we're headed here, guys. But let's look over the S&P 500. We are coming down, but we have not broken down below this resistance level. It's very important that we don't. And guys, you know what I've been saying? If we break above this trend line right here, the top of this channel, that risk on asset rally would happen. And guys, I was correct. I mean, Nvidia is pumping a ton, big tech is pumping, and crypto pumped the past 2 months. But we are coming down. We do not want to see a break below this level. We do not want to see that. If we see that, then this could be a temporary run. This could be a bear market rally. So it is important that we pay attention and keep a close eye on the S&P 500, guys, because if we break below this level here, then, well, we could have some more downside. We could. But it does look like we are bouncing off this. We need to see, we are getting a retest. We want to see a retest and a resumption. We want to bounce off of that, guys. We want to bounce off of that. And then if we bounce off of that and this creates a higher low here, ooh, that's going to be very, very, very good for crypto, guys. But, guys, if you like this content, please like this video, subscribe to the channel right now, and also please consider becoming a member. All you got to do is go in the description box below, click Join Member, or click on our homepage and click Join right here. And all you have to do is join. You get awesome custom perks. You get these custom emojis as well as these custom loyalty badges next to your name whenever you comment on our videos or comment on our live streams. We do our live streams every Tuesday and Thursday at 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. You also get access to our private Discord. We have trading signals, NFT alpha, NFT whitelist spot giveaways, as well as a more one-on-one community with CryptoKip and I. But guys, that's all I got. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.